The small steps we can take to try and heal this earth can become as easy and normalized as brushing your teeth or going for a morning run. Plastic pollution, oil spills, air pollution, sewage drainage, and gas emissions are just a few of the reasons why our world is just as healthy as a cancer patient with COVID, obesity, and every other disease and illness out there. When I was a kid, my mom used to turn on the Crocodile Hunter every morning before school. Steve Irwin and my mom are the biggest reasons why I got into conservation. My mom always taught me to care for and respect your surroundings. Steve Irwin taught me to care for the animals and planet we live on because animals have just as much as a right as we do. The food chain is so intricate that something as simple as the deer population going extinct can affect our everyday lives. My father is the one to thank for my interest in marine biology. He used to take me to the Tennessee Aquarium just about every other weekend. My favorite display at the Tennessee Aquarium was the pollution display. I loved the way it impacted the audience and made them wonder. It looked very similar to the picture at the bottom right. In this display, there was a boat, oars, beer bottles, a phone, a tire, nets, fishing line, and poles, and many more small details. Those trips to the local aquariums made my aspirations turn into working for the Georgia Aquarium. 4Ocean is a company that pulls a pound of plastic pollution for every bracelet they sell. They make their bracelets from a plastic they collect. I learned about 4Ocean in high school and immediately added it to my to-do list, and I was lucky enough to be a part of the 4Ocean cleanup in my freshman year of college at Nova Southeastern University in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Pollution is the reason why we need to make a change. Any pollution is unhealthy for us, animals, and the planet. There is no reason why anyone should make us believe otherwise. Ways to help is to sign petitions. Whether local or national, something as simple as writing your own name could help end all of this. Another way to help is to implement reducing the use of single-use plastics in your home. There are many different ways to make this effective. Some examples are reusable Ziploc bags, beeswax wraps, reusable paper towels, and wooden utensils, and those are just a few alternatives to name. Everyone has heard since elementary school reduce, reuse, and recycle. Recycling is one of the biggest things people say to do to help the earth. Everyone can do it. It might be more tedious than just throwing stuff away, but it's well worth it. When looking at pictures like these, it really makes you question your neighbors and that you have on this earth. Be the neighbor that your neighbor doesn't have to question. Change your lifestyle to fit the planet's needs. To end this, I wanted to add a quote from my personal idol. Steve Irwin had said, "I have a message for my fans. Whatever you want to do in this world, it is achievable. The most important thing that I have found that perhaps you could use is be passionate and enthusiastic in the direction that you choose in life, and you'll be a winner."